where I'm looking. Made in Taiwan. What I'm gonna see when I open this thing up. Some serial killers always have the best taste in music. Why is that? I'll just put that anywhere. Wow, threaded inserts. Nice enclosure. Nice. I like that. Okay. What do we got? Thunder. At least this one's got a sticker on it. Here we go. Alright, what do we got? Some 7400 series. The 380 again. So I imagine that's your output. Yeah, it's an op-amp. Okay. But come on. There's one, there's two, there's three. There's the fourth one. Of course. Of course. Alright. Come on, man. Alright. Well, it looks like an 832. Well, there it is. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. Let's take a look at the speaker. Let's start with that. Make sure we actually have audio that works. Camera isn't working. What do we got? Eliminates that. Okay, what's next? Well, we got a lot of tantalum. High stability, however, they are very prone to failure. So those might be worth testing. From ST Micro. 921. I don't recall that one. Well, I'm gonna imagine it's an op amp, and you're using it as a, or you're using it as a timer. Using a 16-bit, 16 series pick. Version 23. Wow, so yeah, they put some work into it. Okay, well, let's well, alright, well, let's power it up, see what happens. There is a trigger. There's trigger 1, trigger 2. Okay, so I'm going to have a wire that I can terminate to simulate a trigger effect. Let's do that. Okay. Where am I? Come on. Where is he? I should just be able to go like that, and let me clean that up. Okay, yeah, I should be able to simulate a trigger doing that. You know what? This should be on the ground side. That way I can trigger both sides using one wire. That's what we'll do. Ground is ground. So there's that. External volume. Well, I imagine that's the way it's set up. Okay. Let's give it 120 volts and see what happens, huh? It's a 5-volt transformer. Okay. What do we got? Juice is off. Let's take a look at this. Glue is hot. Okay. I hope so. Okay. All right.
Attention parents, please do not leave your...
Damn. Yo. Scare the fucking dead.
Attention parents, please do not leave your child unattended while riding the ride.
Jesus. That'll wake the fucking dead. Jesus. Wow. Can I disable that? Because I'm pretty confident that works just fine. So switch 1. Let's turn that off. I'm not trying to piss off my neighbors. Jeez. Shit. Wow. Alright. I'm not ready for this shit right now. My God. Alright. I want to put a resistor across that fucking speaker, man. We gotta drop that down. So what's wrong with it? I'm pretty convinced that thing's working just fine. Wow. My ears. Wow. Holy moly. Wow. Fucking volume control don't work for a damn. My goodness. If I had 9 lives, I'd just spun them off. Holy moly. Wow. That's scary, man. No wonder the kids cried. Shit. Alright, well. I don't understand. Alright, well, let's try the trigger. Wow. Holy crap. That's one damn good amplifier, man. What is that, the 380 you're using? Oh. Wow. I'm impressed. That's pretty good. Wow. Alright. Alright, let's try it. My neighbor's gonna shoot me. Oh. My neighbors are gonna fucking put bullet holes through the fucking ceiling just to take care of me. Wow. Alright. I'm gonna take a break from that. I'm glad I'm not working on this at 3 in the morning. My goodness. Wow. Alright.